Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to use the mobile gaming option on TikTok and stream games live on your TikTok. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now guys, you're going to come here where you record your videos from on TikTok. Then scroll this side until when you reach live. Then guys, you will press on live. When you press on live, you're going to scroll this side and then press on the mobile gaming. Press right here on the mobile gaming. If you don't have this option guys, you go in the description. I've put the link to the video that shows you step-by-step guide how to apply for the mobile gaming option on TikTok. Make sure you watch the video to the end if you don't have this option and you need it. Now guys, you're going to press on the mobile gaming option. After pressing on the mobile gaming option guys, you are going to press up here. You're going to press up here and add a title of the game you want to stream live on TikTok. You're going to press up there on add a title, then you add the game you want to stream live on TikTok. Then guys, you can enter the game name or you can search the game you want to stream live on TikTok. After that guys, you're going to add a topic. You're going to press up here and add a topic. And your topic of course has to be gaming. Then guys, after adding your topic, you should press here and then make it portrait or landscape. Guys, you can make it portrait or landscape just like that. And then guys, you can press here, you can press up here and add your live goal. After adding your live goal, you can press on go live guys. You can press on go live and then you start streaming your games live on TikTok. Remember guys, if you don't have the option of mobile gaming whereby you can stream your games live on TikTok, just go in the description, press on the link to the video that shows you step-by-step guide how to get the mobile gaming option here on TikTok, how to apply for this option on TikTok. I'm sure you'll get it if you follow the steps on TikTok. Thanks for watching guys. Please like the video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.